Hello? Yeah, I'm busy. What's wrong? Hello, Sarah. I'm really sorry, but we have to cancel our appointment this week. What do you mean you have to cancel the appointment? All of our hairdressers are sick. But I need my new haircut. I want my hair short and it has to be this week. I'm under pressure. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna do it by myself. I don't need you. Hey lads and fellas, welcome back to Sarah TV. And as you might notice, today I'm going to show you how I cut my hair short by myself. But this is not the end. Okay, I just did it because I knew my hairdresser is coming on Saturday, so why not using this opportunity to cut my hair by myself? And I somehow made it not looking like a complete disaster. Hello my darling friends, it's me, Sarah, and as you guys know, I actually planned a haircutting appointment last week, but my hairdresser became ill and I made a new one for this Saturday, and I was like, why not cutting myself a short haircut when my hairdresser is coming anyways on Saturday? So I'm going to give it a try. I'm excited by myself. I've never tried this before. Yeah, but I have to cut my hair and I like the idea of cutting myself short hair just as a revenge for anything. I don't know. So I started to part my hair in 6 different sections, like so. And even this was already not easy. I already had a little nervous breakdown before I even started. I can't do this. Wait a minute, I have to... Oh, wait. I was following a YouTube tutorial and the hairdresser started to cut the back first. So I tried the same. Tricky part of it, you have to cut the back of your head, which you only see mirrored. You need all of your focus and concentration to make no big mistake. First cut, first mistake. But I couldn't see it, so I kept on. It's but yes, and now it was too late for everything and I had to go on with my plan. Oh, and by the way, I had to part another section because the first layer of hair was too thick to cut. Like that, it was easier to cut a straight line. Somehow this is going to work. I don't know how, but somehow. Okay, this. So I kept going on, cutting the first layer at the back of my head.
Ist das richtig? Is this right?
Anyways. Yeah, I was totally insecure at what I'm doing at the moment. It was the first time and I actually had no idea if this is going to turn out right. So everything I could do is keep on cutting each layer. Then I saw this kind of technique in the tutorial I watched, so I tried to, copy it. Just try to copy it. I tried to use this cutting technique for the complete layer. I tried. As next, I opened a new section and wet and brush it. We part this section into smaller sections to be able to cut them and cut these after one another. Then I started to cut each hill part with the same angled technique like before.
And ladies, I swear this is such a hard craft to do. I was already pretty exhausted. The mirror thinking was taking so much energy. But anyways, I had to go on, and it's actually kind of a real hard brain training. And for the next section, I try to follow the same steps that I've using before. I actually only copy, and I only do it by watching. I don't have any background information, only my own experiences. When I started to open the top back section, I totally lost overview. I totally lost it. So I just was like, come on, cut it. Try to cut it as you were watching it and go on. Finally, I'm coming closer to an end. I repeat the same steps I did for the rest of my hair with the front side sections. I parted it in small layers and cut one after another. Last section, top layer. I parted this in the middle again and cut layer by layer in an really I don't know anymore angle because I already lost overview 2 sections before. What I definitely learned is that hair cutting contains almost mainly parting hair in little sections and cutting them in specific angles. Yeah, this is what I learned for myself today. I really like this craft. It's so creative.
Okay, it's off.
Honestly, I was in a little kind of shock modus. I really didn't know what to feel. And here's the back part, and actually it's kind of okay for not even having eyes on my backside. It was good. But I had to do some fine work. Like thinning out the ends, you know, it was so thick like a brush. So I have to thin it out. Or actually, I was trying to soften out the sharp edges. I felt like Aaron Carter in the 90s at first. But actually, I don't care. I seriously don't care because I know I can hide everything or a lot with styling. Do you know these puppy hairstylists? I totally feel like them. But now it's finally enough and I'm ready.
Goodbye. And on Saturday there's going to be more, but it's so much. Look. Oh my god. Can I make a wig out of it? Maybe some bangs. But so much hair, oh my god. It's not dry yet. Yeah, actually this is how it turned out, and it turned out better than I thought. Honestly. Yeah, but for sure I think some edges are just too sharp. Of course my hairdresser has to come and make the little detailing stuff, make it all a little bit softer, a little bit, or maybe we are going to try a complete other hairstyle because I just noticed that I really like the short hair and I would like to try out another one. This one is not even styled yet, I just cut and it's not even dry. Maybe I'm going to dry my hair now and we are going to see how it looks like, okay? Okay. Big difference. Yeah, oh, I like it the loose way. I didn't wash my hair. I actually have to wash my hair, but wow, this is amazing. Side part, pretty side part. Where's the pretty side part? Oh, this also looks small. A little bit like the 80s moms, you know? I made a mistake here. But, yeah, what else should I say? I actually would say just leave it like that for the first time. And I think I'm going to wash my hair tonight and going to try out some hairstyle these next days. Yeah, I hope you liked my video. It was actually an experiment which went actually quite good. I am totally fine with my hair right now. I just wanted to have a little bit more boyish haircut. I really want to just live out my masculine side. This hairstyle is helping me with this. And I hope I can inspire the girls and women to do the same. You should try it out. This was a self-experiment. Yeah, you should be aware of what could happen if you do it by yourself like me. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just watch videos and I cut my hair by myself. This is just to inspire you to get short haircut. I mean, it can also work, but it can also go down in the toilet. And then you should go to the hairdresser. But in my case, as I told you before, my hairdresser is coming on Saturday, so I knew I had nothing to lose, so why not trying it by myself? I thank you so much for your attention. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave me a like and click the notification bell for every new video of Sarah Up. I can't wait what we are going to do next with my hair.